world that we live in is hard, you know, and you don't need to be down on yourself for any reason. Take pride in who you are as an adult or as a teenager.
My channel. I'm LaShonda Capri if you are new to my channel. So basically what we're going to do is my grandma wants me to dye her hair platinum blonde or get it close to platinum blonde as we can. She recently started dreading her hair up and she wants it to be platinum blonde. So that's what we're going to do. So I already kind of mixed up everything here. I used the BW2 Carol Professional powder, lightening powder. And for the cream developer, I used the 20 cream developer, which you can just get at your local beauty supply. It was like $3 or $4. So
y'all know I totally trust her.
Yeah, right. She trusts me. I'm trustworthy, y'all. Y'all know I do my own hair, even though I need to touch up, but still. So I already mixed everything up. Literally what you do is you do whatever you do here. Like if you do 2 scoops of this, you do 2 parts of the developer. Really simple, really easy. And so I'm going to go ahead and prep grandma. I'm going to use some shea butter just to around her edges so she doesn't get burnt around her edges and everything like that. Want to make sure you do that. I have a pair of gloves just to kind of massage it into her hair and then a comb as well. And y'all, I ain't got no caps no more. I'm pretty sure I do. I just don't know where they're at. But we're going to use a handy dandy trash bag to tie for her hair to sit. So y'all get a good glance at her now, y'all. Get a good glance.
We'll be back.
Get a good glance. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. You ready, girl? I'm ready. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Y'all, if y'all have not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you turn the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. Make sure you subscribe to me and make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it right here on the screen. My grandma's Instagram is right here on the screen. So let's jump into it. Ready?
Ready.
Okay.
I wish it was
all gray.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's understandable.
Like my brother Charles is completely white.
Completely right. I don't have a problem with the gray hair, actually.
Me neither.
I really don't.
But you see, like on this side over here, got a lot of the gray.
Yeah, I did notice that.
Yeah.
It's a lot of that.
Just one, and then other places, it's not.
Your gray hair is pretty. Well, you come to the right place.
I think so. I think you're right. If you're not a beauty expert, I don't know who is.
Yeah. I love anything beauty. Anybody who knows me knows that.
Since very young.
Yeah. I started very, very, very young doing hair.
Should I say how many times you just changed clothes in a day when you was little?
Oh, yeah. Tell me that.
Yeah, she had to change at least 3 times a day.
Yeah.
At morning, noon, and at night.
I was just a fashionista.
Yes. What happened to what you just had on? Well, I don't like that no more. I'm changed. Girl.
She's right, y'all. So y'all, I'm just applying this a little bit on each dread by dread. That's all I'm doing here. How was I as a kid? You can be completely honest. Completely honest.
Well, she was a grandma girl, more so than a mama's girl, because I always protected her, and her mom I had a lot more patience with her mom. And so we ran together. We were like buddies, you know. I love the fact that she liked to do all the girly things that her mom never did.
Yeah, my mom's kind of like a tomboy, y'all. My mom, I'm not gonna say my mom is not girly, but she's more a tomboy. She doesn't really like makeup and all that. She don't really care about, I'm not gonna say dressing up, but she don't care about all those name brands. My mom's not a name brand person. She could really care less about all that stuff. So.
And she never really liked dolls. You liked dolls for a period of time. You went through all the normal baby girl stuff that your mom did.
Yeah, my mom.
And that was fun for me.
My mom worked really hard, so whenever my grandma could watch us, she would.
Having a granddaughter was my first grand. And,
that's true, I am your first grand.
Yes. And she was a girl, and she just kind of, all the things her mom didn't do, she liked to do. But her mom's so creative. She gets that from her mother.
Yes, I definitely agree. Being creative, I get from my mom.
Yes, because I am not very good at being creative. I'm more of a talker or a listener. I'm good at on both spectrums.
Yeah.
I can listen real good, or I can talk a lot.
Yeah.
So it depends on the situation, what's going on at any particular time. But I think I need to listen. I listen, especially if I'm in a group of people that I know nothing about. They say, oh my gosh, you're so quiet, you don't say anything. Well, I've got to check out the situation always before I put my input. So.
Yeah, you observe things about my first.
And LaShonda has always been a go-getter. You didn't have to make her do anything. She was always ready and willing to go.
I was 10 steps ahead.
Yeah, she was always really ready and willing to go do what has to be done. She's still that way.
Yeah. I'm not lazy.
No, not at all.
I'm nowhere near a lazy person. I actually cannot stand lazy people.
I don't like lazy people either.
People who just make excuses for themselves and pity and all that, and you act like you can't do nothing for yourself. I don't like that.
Motivation is a good thing. Be motivated every day when you get up in the morning.
Yeah.
Get up with motivation to make it a better day.
Exactly.
Than the day before.
Yep, I agree. Grandma, how many kids do you have?
I have 3 children. Manisha, John's mom, is the oldest of the 3. Yeah, and she's my only girl.
And I'm my mom's only girl.
Mm-hmm. And she's got 2 siblings. One is 7 years younger than her, and the other one is, I think Andrew would be about 12 years younger than her.
Yeah. Andy?
Yes.
So yeah,
I have the eldest is his daughter and 2 siblings, and hers are my 2 boys. They're men now. I say boys, but they're men now.
And all her kids are awesome, y'all.
Yes, they are.
Like, really awesome.
I was truly blessed.
Yes. I have a great mom and I have great uncles, for sure. Like, my uncles are, man. Me and one of my uncles, we used to fight all the time when I was a kid, but it was all love.
Yeah.
Yeah. But my grandma had 3 kids, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
And they're all really successful.
They all doing great. They are really doing great. And they passed it on. LaShonda's kids are really good kids. I've been here with them. And on occasion, I stay with them, and they get used. Well, the oldest one is already calls me Gigi. That's her great grandma, and she don't quite understand what great grandma is, but she's good. She's picking up on it. And the youngest, she for the last 3 days,
4 days maybe.
4 days, she has just been observing me and wondering whether she wants to be friends with me now. Bill?
Yeah, she kind of don't remember my grandma. My grandma hasn't seen her since she was about 7-8 months. So that's why.
But she warmed up to me. I didn't try to cloud her
Yeah, you been giving her
push
space.
her, to come to me or anything like that.
Yeah, she kind of been just letting her do it on her own.
And it worked because she started giving me her storybook to read to her, and her little toys she'd bring them over. So I think we're going to be fine.
If you had to tell someone how to maneuver in life and stay confident and stay true to yourself, what would you tell them? Like, what's something that keeps you motivated?
Everybody's individual, and each individual, I feel like each individual has their own uniqueness about themselves. And a lot of people don't realize that they have that for whatever reason. They might grow up with insecure environment, and it kind of takes away from them because they're trying to impress or do what they think is norm. And I think that blocks out a lot of people from having an individual self-confidence. The world that we live in is hard, and you don't need to be down on yourself for any reason. Take pride in who you are as an adult or as a teenager, Sometimes it takes guidance from outside of the home. We'll seek that guidance. I say seek that guidance. Just find in what's individually what you're good at and work on it and build it, make it stronger.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, because self-worth is very, very important. And so many people don't have that. And the mental health issues that used to be hush-hush, I'm so glad that people are coming out with that now. And they're not allowing that to determine who they are. They're starting to understand that there's issues with everyone. You just don't get away from certain issues. There's issues with everyone. And we just have to nurture the weakness and work on strengthening the weaknesses so that we can be a better person, all-around person. What do you think? You think that?
I really agree. I agree. Y'all, I had to make a little bit more. Just a tiny bit. My grandma has a lot of hair.
I always, when Shonda was growing up, I always wanted to make her feel that she was special. And I think everybody's special. And if I had something to do with the strength that she has now, I'm so glad that I was able to be a part of that. And I'm just super, super happy with the person that she is now. And she's just growing and growing more and more, in her strength.
Yeah.
And that's awesome.
I grew up with some good leaders, y'all. I have. Don't get me wrong, I didn't grow up in a perfect life and we have ups and downs and stuff. But I've definitely been surrounded with some really good leaders.
Yeah, a lot of love.
Whatever love somebody wasn't getting, I was getting it from my mom and my grandma, basically. And my immediate family.
Yeah, your uncles were always there for you, and
yeah, I got on my uncle's nerves. Like I said, he's trying to beat me up, but I think that comes with any family.
Yeah.
But
y'all were young.
Yeah, we were young, and we were close in age. Like my other uncle were very close in age. Actually, we're all close in age. One of my uncles is only 7 years older than me. So that's Matt, grandma. Matt's only 7 years older than me. Do you know that?
Yeah. Because
Yeah, he's only 7 years older than me. Isn't that crazy? When you think about it. Yeah.
I'm looking, y'all. No, I've always liked to hear. My first grandchild, like I said, was LaShonda. And I always used to love to hear her say grandma. I mean, some people don't want to be called grandma. I was glad to hear that.
Y'all, I was a cute ass baby.
Oh, yeah.
I was a little baby doll, who is she? Miss, who is she?
Yeah, you did a lot of contests, beauty contests.
It's modeling.
Yeah, it was like your eyes and your smile. Everyone liked the eyes and smile.
My mom told me that when I won beauty contests is because everybody thought I was a Barbie doll. A little baby doll, I mean.
Yeah.
It was like, this cannot be a real person right now. And it's crazy, growing up, people say I look like Jada Pinkett. Do y'all see it, y'all? I always tell people, no, I don't. People are like, you look like Jada Pinkett. Y'all, I'm all done putting this into my grandma's head. We're going to let it sit. We're going to let it sit for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, just because her hair is super thick and it's got to get deep into her dreads and stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and cover it up with a bag or whatever for her. So we'll see you when we get back. Alright guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, my grandma's hair is done. Yes. She likes it, she loves it. To me, that's all that matters. She may need to dye it maybe like one more time, maybe like in a couple weeks if she wants to lighten it up a little bit more. But you guys know it's not safe to keep bleaching your hair over and over and over again. But she likes it, and like I said, it's all that matters.
I love it.
Yeah, I think it looks really good on you, Grandma.
What do you guys think?
So pretty.
Yeah.
Y'all let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Be nice. And if you don't have anything positive to say, don't say shit at all. But,
right.
But yeah, y'all, this is my grandma. She looks so cute. I help her do her makeup, y'all.
Yes.
She's actually pretty good at doing her own makeup. She went and did her eyeliner and everything. I just kind of filled in her eyebrows, and she chose her lipstick and everything.
Yes.
So, how you feel?
I feel great. It looks really good.
You like it?
I'm happy.
Yeah. She actually says that she's been trying to get her tips of her dreads this blonde for a very long time. And guys, it is so hard to dye dreads. So be mindful. It is. But I think it looks really good on her. And I like the way she styled her hair. She got her hair with a little bangs and stuff. It's so
yes. Up or down. It was fun. I love doing it. It's been a great experience. Yes. Thank y'all so much.
So y'all, if y'all seen the before and after, I'll insert a picture right here somewhere. It's definitely a difference, and she likes it.
I love it.
Yeah, girl, it looks really good on you.
Thanks so much, babe. I'm so glad you did this one.
It looks really good.
Love you so much.
She about to make me grow some dreads, y'all.
I love it.
I think I look cute dreads.
I think you look cute.
Yeah.
Anything.
Yeah.
All things.
See, there she go. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, y'all, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Again, follow my grandma on Instagram. I will leave it down below in the description. I will leave it right here on the screen. Make sure y'all thumbs it up, because she will be probably adding a picture of this. So y'all go show her tons of love, please.
Yes,
and yeah, make sure you are turning on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And like I said in my videos, I will see you guys in my next video. So peace out, grandma. Peace out. Yes. And yeah, I know I'm looking here to y'all, but
hey,
whatever. This video about my grandma, okay?
Okay.
Peace.